These are the elevators here at the orange parking ramp in Park Nicolett Hospital in St. Louis Park, Minnesota. These are ThyssenKrupp elevators. Get the single slide door one first. All right, I'm gonna take it to 5. The other two between the single slide door elevator have center open doors. We're gonna take it to the 5th floor on this. Here at 5. There's our frame of security. Back down to ground. Now let's get a cab view of this beautiful ThyssenKrupp elevator. Nice carpeted floor and a glass elevator, by the way. This one has the Dover buzz. Love that scrolling arrow. I think someone called the elevator. Nope, no one didn't. I'm gonna send this up. We're gonna let this one go. There goes this one. Now let's call another one. We got this one. This is one of the center open ones. Buttons are on this side. 5. Well, there's two actually. There's actually 2 calls. Not call stations. I mean panels in this elevator. Yeah, fixtures, whatever. We're going to get a view out here. Here's the roof of the garage. What a quite high ceiling on the top floor. This is a very nice view of the roof of the garage. This is a very nice view. Let's get an outside look. Yeah, pretty nice view of the orange ramp. Kind of love the view out here. There's a pole station, first level pole station right here. Very cool. All right, let's see if we get the other elevator back. Two call buttons. Let's see which one we get. Yeah. Love this call button. This single slide one. I think this one's gonna come back. Is it? Perfect. Oh, I'm gonna go down. I'm going to ground. Finally got this one back. Here you go. Have a good one. Now we'll see if we can get the other single slide. Oh, I just shut it on. I just can't believe I shut it on somebody by mistake. Oops. My fault. Let's set this one up. And we'll see if we can get that one over here. The other center open one. There goes that one. Now we'll see if we can get the other one. That one looks like it's coming back. Otherwise, I'm kind of confused what's going on. If that one does come back, I am setting this one up. Yeah. You can just go all the way up to 5. And we'll see if we get the other one. Let's see what happens here. Does this one go down? I don't think so. Yeah, I think I'm probably gonna have to take this one up to 4. This is not making much of a difference. Yeah. Very cool Mad BS button. No, not a Mad BS button actually. Well, I don't care, it might be a Vandal Assistant. Yeah. Let's see if we can go up to 4 and I'll set it to 5. And I can do a bell trick in the other one. See if the bell trick works in the ThyssenKrupp elevator. Pretty cool elevator though. I wonder I hear other bells ringing. We'll see if this one works. If it doesn't, we'll find out. Let's see if you work in this one. Elevator number 20. Yep, appears to be broken. Yeah, that one appears to be broken. Oh well. That one does not work right now. It's in unit repairs. It's all right. I'll have to film these one next time if I have the chance, but I don't know if I can. Yeah, maybe I might not film these because this is part of a hospital. I'm gonna ring the bell and see if the Doverture trick works. I mean, the ThyssenKrupp bell trick works. I mean, does it work? It does work. Wow, I love the bell trick. Okay, perfect. Back down to ground. Okay, we'll watch the numbers going down this time. We'll take one more ride on this too, and then we will come on in. Oh gee, I'm getting out. Here you go. Oh, don't miss. Is there room in there?
Yes, definitely. Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome. I think we'll watch the numbers on this one. Oops. Let's see if we can watch the numbers on this one. I pressed the wrong button. Here we go. We're gonna watch the numbers on this one instead. And then we will end the tour back at G. Dover Buzz. Well, this is the alarm bell first. Cool. I love the alarm bell. Love how it lights up red. Now we'll get a close view of this ThyssenKrupp elevator button. I love it when it's Vandal resistant. How it lights up blue, like Signifor does. Alright, we're gonna end the tour now. I filmed this way too long now. Almost 10 minutes for me filming in these elevators. Okay, there it goes. And that's it.